Assalamu alaikum. This is Crypto PNL, and I'm here to bring you an update on Bitcoin, the analysis I did 2 days ago. So I hope all of you are doing good. I hope you're in good health. Inshallah, I'll be very active. I'll be back on my Telegram channel very soon now. Inshallah, within a week or so. Inshallah. So anyway, let's talk about BTC. What do we think of BTC? Whenever you're confused of any structure, when you cannot read the market, when you see some the choppy market, because this is choppy. As you can see, we see lots of chop here in this area. And this is what I call a compression zone. The longer the compression, the stronger the move. This is what I believe. I mean, what do I mean by compression? Compression, I mean, जब कोई चीज़ बड़े मूव से पहले जो कंप्रेस होती है, it takes time, it accumulate, distribute, whatever it does, it gives you an opportunity for a bigger move. Like if you're on the right side, you can make good money. So whenever I feel like I'm not reading the market well, what I do, I look for the high time frames. This is what my policy is. So I go to the monthly first and I look on the monthly chart. What is happening on the monthly chart? And if you go to the log scale and if you look at the monthly chart, what do we see here? My dear brothers and my dear sisters and whoever watching me, what do I see here from this area? I think this area is telling me that above this line, everything is magic. Magic, I mean, everything is pointing to the upside. So we are bullish. Now I'll draw like this. Monthly bullish. Okay, let's go to the weekly chart. Oh my God, look at this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ka karam dekhen. We are holding this beautiful line and we are accumulating above resistance. What is this? This means BTC has been accumulated here. So the next point that I will write here is weekly. What I'm going to write weekly is bullish. Okay, weekly is bullish. Now let's go to the daily time frame. What daily is telling me? Oh my God, daily. If you look at it, daily is where the confusion starts. I think the daily chart, in my personal opinion, is sort of compressing. But if you see that, if you look at it, as long as we are maintaining high lows, we are bullish. So in my opinion, this low is the trend container and this low is protected. And I think that's my breaker. I think price will contain these lows. This is what my thinking is. So I'm bullish here as well. On the daily, on the monthly, and on the weekly, I'm bullish. So what is the point here? So the point is there that what is going to happen here? I think the stronger compression will lead us to a new move, and I still believe we are not done here. I think we are still in the move to make another high opportunity. We are going to make another wave to the upside, which could be very high. I was thinking that we may take a break at 75K. It can take us to $77,000. So I think the price probably go up here. And with this, we will go with a strong candle from there, big candle. We will create some massive rally here, in my opinion, towards $77,000, in my opinion. So it could lead us to probably, yeah, we can go to from there, because is compression ko dekh ke, I think from here we may go here in slow pace. But from there we go with a quick pace. In my opinion, the compression will come out. So lots of stops are sitting here. So it will lead us to a new rally, in my opinion. So this is what I think. So I believe, because if you look at it, the only thing that I see here is this trend line. And if you see, put the volume in. If you see, we break this trend line with the volume and we are retesting this trend line now. So it is not bearish at all. It shows we need more accumulation and lots of strength shown by the dollar. Dollar is showing strength. Look at this. Dollar is showing lots of strength, and I still think we are going to get rejected from this area. So I would like to see that if dollar is gets rejected, because the last night Fed reported that we are going to stop giving out money easy. Now the stimulus is going to be stopped. So I think this is not good for that risk on assets. But BTC has one more rally left, in my opinion. So after that rally, we may a strong bear market. Anyway, and AVEX hits my target. As I have said that this is my target, and AVEX had hit my $80 target. Now this is the first opportunity AVEX gave me. This was the buy, this was the sell. A beautiful target hit. Now I expect AVEX to create a defined resistance here, come back here, hold this level, and then make a new rally. So this is the area where you're going to put your money. This is what I think. I have shared AVEX chart, and if you see how much if AVEX put into my targets. So this was my I showed a Matic. Look at this, Matic hit my target. If you see, Matic crossed my target with this rally. So I'm very glad that Matic hit my target, and I'm still holding Matic. I'm not going to release Matic. So where is AVEX? I said AVEX below 60 is cheap. It is not sitting. Yeah, that's it. That's my AVEX chart. That was my first target. This is where I bought it at $51. And look at this now. Allah ka shukr hai, I have hit my second target with complete plan. These two lines. So the same line I drew for the Bitcoin now. Same lines, same range. I have BTC has hit this target. Now this is the second target we have to wait for. So if you bought here, I think you are going to see that target. So it's all about patience. If you have patience, BTC will be rewarded. I'm still confident that AVX will, ICP will rally, and it will rally. And there's another chart I shared at 2-3 days ago, and that is SIA coin. I bought SIA coin, and I think SIA coin give me 10x from here. I still believe SIA will repeat the history from there. That's the low, and we will break this high, and we will break this high, and we make a new high. People will be amazed, because SIA coin and the file coin are going to surprise a lot of us. I have bought ADA as well. I'm accumulating ADA, and I think ADA has proved me right. Look at this. ADA has control now above this support. Now this is the area you got to buy ADA. Don't miss that opportunity. Buy ADA at this level, please. Assalamu alaikum.